Very good morning to project panel and our supervisor. My name is Shoshankar and my matric number is 10DDT20F1042.
My name is Harinachan Son of Nagarichanan. My matrix number is 10DDT20F1001.
My name is Sharindaga. My matric number is 10DDT20F1031.
So today we are going to present our final year project, which is Smart Trash Bin. So as we can see, these are the contents for the presentation. First of all, let's see the introduction for the project. Nowadays, people do not feel free to dispose of trash because they appear dirty, uncomfortable to touch, and also avoid trash bin due to unpleasant smell. This is because the rubbish collecting system was poorly managed, causing the trash to overflow the trash cans without being discovered by municipal officials. So, smart trash bins are an intelligent waste management system. They consist of IoT-enabled sensors, which work as real-time indicators to determine if the bins are full or not, and help to customize the waste collection schedule accordingly. Moreover, smart trash bin is made of an automatic open and close of bin lid using ultrasonic sensor and a motor. ESP8266 is used to send a notification to the owner when the trash bin capacity is reached. So now let's see the problem statement for the project. As we can see, there are three main problems to create this project. First problem is cannot access by every class of people. This is because most of dustbins are manually operated and user need to use leg or hand to open the dustbin to dispose the trash. But it will be very difficult for disabled person. And the next problem is poor waste collection process. This is because management unable to monitor the level of the rubbish in the dustbin. And the last problem is garbage collector faces heavy workload due to inefficiency waste management. This is because garbage collector have to frequently monitor the wastage to dispose.
And thank you, my friend Shiva. Now we see the objective for the project. First objective is to develop a smart trash bin system that is accessible by everyone, including people with disability. Second objective is to improve the collection process of waste using system notification. And the last one is to improve the efficiency of the waste management process in order to lessen the workload of garbage collector. Okay, next we see the scope project. Okay. For the user scope, owner will use the project. So the owner is notified by the trash bin when the bin's waste has reached its maximum capacity. For public, the user approach trash bin, the lid automatically open, allowing the user to dispose of waste. These are system scope. The Arduino Uno ESP8266 two ultrasonic sensors, SG90 micro servo motor, and a power source will be used in this project. When the trash can is full, ESP8266 may notify the owner and Arduino Uno send a signal to the motor that causes the lid to open when an object within the range of below 50 cm. Next, an ultrasonic sensor can measure the amount of trash in the bin and also track motion nearby. The SG90 micro servo motor also make it possible to open and close the lid. All other electronic will also be powered by the power source. Also, we use Android Studio platform to build an app to notify the owner when the waste in smart trash bin reach their maximum capacity. There are some requirements for the project. For the description, the app only support Android version 5.0 or above, and the app only developed for the Android platform, and this app only for the mobile application. Next, we enter the next slide, that is project demonstration.
So now we are going to demonstrate our final year project. So as we can see, this is our final year project. So this dustbin is purposely made for office purpose. So now my friend will explain about the components that we use in this final year project.
So thank you, Shiva. So now I'll continue presenting about the components that we used in our final year project. So the first component we use in our final year project is an ultrasonic sensor. So this sensor can detect objects motion in between range of 50 cm. The second component we used in our project is an SG90 micro servo motor. This motor helps to open the bin's lid automatically. After 5 seconds, the bin's lid will automatically close. The third component is another ultrasonic sensor that we placed in the bin's lid. So the sensor's function is to detect the bin's trash level. The final component that we used in our final year project is an Arduino Uno board and an ESP8266 board that we placed in the box behind the trash bin. The Arduino Uno board and the ESP8266 board must be powered by an alternative power or can powered with a power bank. So in this project we used power bank as a power supply to the Arduino Uno and ESP8266.
Firstly, we achieve our project's first objective with making the lid automatically when the sensor sends any object within 15 cm. Then the lid closes automatically after 5 seconds. If the bin empty or reach 49% capacity, it will update to database as low. Then if the capacity reached more, it will update moderate in the real-time database until it reach more than 64%. The database update to almost full if reach 65% to 84%. Finally, the database update full if the capacity reach 85% to maximum.
So now I'm going to explain about our smart trash bin app. As we can see, this is the smart trash bin app icon. Once click on the app, a splash screen will appear and loading for 3 seconds. Once the loading is finished, a pop-up message will appear at the bottom of the screen which says welcome to smart trash bin application. So now as we can see, login page is open. So here user need to put their username and password in order to open home page. Let's say if the user enter wrong username or password, a message pop up at the bottom of the screen which says username or password is invalid. If the username and password are correct, then a message pop up at the bottom of the screen which says username and password is valid. Then it will bring user to home page. So here we got two buttons, which is check now button and go green information button. If the user want to check the trash level means they just need to click on the check now button. If the user want to know about the go green information means, so they just need to click on go green information button. So now I click on check now button. So here we can monitor the trash level and the status of the smart trash bin. Moreover, we also can record trash dispose time by just click on trash dispose button whenever the trash took out from the dustbin. Even we clean the app, the last garbage collection time still save on the app. So whenever we open the app, we can see the last garbage collection time. So it's fine, very easy for smart trash bin owner to record the garbage collection time. So now let's see how the trash monitoring works. As we can see, once we throw the trash in the trash bin, the level and status of the trash change in Firebase and also in the app, because the app getting data from the Firebase. If the level is less than 50, then the status will be low and the background will be in green color. If the level is more than 50 and less than 65, then the status will be moderate and the background will be in yellow color. Once the trash bin status change to moderate, user will be notified by a notification which says half of your smart trash bin is full. If the level is more than 65 and less than 85, then the status will be almost full and the background will be in orange color. Once the trash bin status change to almost full, user will be notified by a notification which says smart trash bin is almost full. Please be ready to collect the trash. If the level is more than 85, then the status will be full and the background will be in red color. Once the trash bin reaches its maximum capacity, user will be notified by a notification which says your bin is full. Please collect the trash. So now let's see what we have in Go Green information. After we click on the Go Green information button, a new screen will appear which contain Go Green tips such as reduce, reuse and recycle. Once the user click on reduce button, user able to read information about the reduce. If user click on reuse button, user able to read information about the reduce. If the user want to know about the recycle, they just need to click on this recycle button. User also can log out from the app when click on the logout button, which we can see at the top right corner of the home page. Once the user click on logout button, a confirmation message will appear which asks user to confirm to logout. If user click on yes button, then user will redirect to login page, else user will stay at home page. So that's all about the smart trash bin app. Thank you.
These are the questions we asked the process owner. So the first one will be, does workers oftenly had to go collect trash from the bin before smart trash bin exist? The second question will be, does the smart trash bin lessen the workload of workers? The process owner answered both question yes as answer. From this we can conclude smart trash bin really lessen the workload of workers. So the last part from our project is the conclusion. There's a conclusion. Currently waste management is a major problem in our country. Smart trash bins help to solve the problems related to the garbage management. This project aims at developing the affordable smart trash bin using ESP8266 and Arduino. The concept is very simple and easy to use. Smart trash bin will play major role in cities. The smart cities concept is still new in our country, which is Malaysia. So the major need of smart lifestyle begins with cleanliness, and cleanliness begin with dustbin. And also a society will get its waste dispatched properly only if dustbins are placed well and collected in well prepared. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.